every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Diary of Tibet. My name is Tina. If you like the video, you could like the video. If you don't like the video, you could dislike the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Oke guys, kali ini gue mau reading lagi. Gue usahakan sebelum puasa readingan gue udah kelar semua ya. Dan memang tinggal dikit lagi juga sih readingan gue ya. Tinggal Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius sama Pisces doang sih. Scorpio kemarin udah. Oke. Disclaimer, readingan ini sifatnya general. This reading is a general reading. It could resonate with you. It could not resonate with you. Just take out what resonate ya. Bisa resonate sama kamu, bisa juga nggak resonate sama kamu. Jadi ambil apa yang resonate sama kamu, apa yang nyambung sama kamu sesuai dengan situasi kamu ya. Disesuaikan dengan situasi kamu. So ini bisa energi kamu, ini bisa juga energi pasangan atau orang yang sedang berdilin sama kamu. Atau bisa juga cek birth chart kamu, sun, moon, rising kamu, ascendant kamu, atau Venus kamu. Jadi kalau memang ini nggak cocok sama kamu, desainnya coba cek zodiak. Coba cek readingan yang sesuai dengan zodiak moon sign-nya kamu, zodiak rising-nya kamu, dan zodiak Venus-nya kamu. Dan ini sifatnya vice versa. Bisa terbolak-terbalik, jadi disesuaikan dengan situasi kalian. So this is a general reading. What is it? Gue sampai lupa deh disclaimer-nya. Okay, this is a general reading. Check, it could resonate with you, or it could resonate with a person that you're dealing with. Just check out your birth chart, your sun, moon, and rising and Venus sign ya. And ini general reading. Saya menarik energi umum secara random, energi kolektif, energi banyak orang. This is a general reading. I collected lots of people's energy randomly, so it could resonate with you or it could not resonate with you. And also, because this is a fun reading, it's just for fun ya. So if you have a problem or something, I prefer not to suggest you take this reading as a parameter, as your sign to choose a decision or make a decision. So kalau memang sifatnya ini kan fun readingnya, jadi sangat saya tidak sarankan untuk menjadikan readingan ini sebagai parameter pengambilan keputusan kalian. Jadi apapun yang terjadi akan lebih bijak dimanifestasikan, masalah kalian dimanifestasikan dalam doa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. It could be wisely. If you have a problem, you could manifest it through prayers to God, yeah, and to universe also. Apalagi ya, banyak ya. Okay, so this reading, it could vice versa and interchangeable, yeah. So yeah, let's start the reading. This is for Sagittarius, yeah. Okay. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangels, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me some what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Okay. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangels, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Dear God, angel, universe, divine power, oh, archangel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, oh, please give me a sign what will happen to Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, where is it like? Oh, archangel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Dear God, angels, universe, power, angel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen. Okay, wah banyakan cuy, nggak bisa. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021? Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, banyakan sih. Angels, spirit, okay, Sagittarius, wait a second guys. Wait, ini kok banyak banget ya. Wait, where do I put it right here aja deh. Ribet. Oh, Sagittarius, okay. Wah, seperti Sagittarius lagi jatuh cinta ya? Kayaknya sih. Oh iya. Sepertinya Sagittarius jatuh cinta nih sama orang lama. Kayaknya sih begitu sama orang lama nih. Okay, Sagittarius. From this card, it seems you look like you're falling in love. Maybe with someone from the past. Maybe. Well, this is a temperance card. This is required, a situation required tempered, required patience. You don't need to be tempered, you need to be patient. Maybe this is your previous situation, your bad previous situation. It requires patience from you, Sagittarius. I don't know what happened with your previous situation. It might be a bad situation because the temperance card is here. The temperance card jumping when I shuffle the card. So anything required patience, it must be bad. It must be trigger your anger, trigger your bad temper. But you have to be patiently. You have to stay focused to balance it up yourself, yeah? Between emotion, spiritual, something like that. You have to be balancing your life. Oke, Sagittarius, ini ada kartu temperance. Ini apabila kartu Temperance ini keluar, ini membutuhkan situasi ini, ya situasi yang kamu hadapkan itu membutuhkan kesabaran. Nah, yang namanya sesuatu yang sabar, yang membutuhkan kesabaran, pasti situasi itu situasi nggak mengenakan, yang bisa memicu rasa emosi kamu. Tapi karena di sini dibutuhkan kesabaran, kalian tuh harus balance atau harus seimbang secara emosional, secara spiritual gitu ya. Jadi memang sangat dibutuhkan kesabaran dalam menghadapi situasi ini. Apapun situasi yang terjadi, betapapun toksik situasi tersebut, membutuhkan kesabaran super tinggi. If it's the situation related with love relationship, it could be your partner cheating you, or it could be your partner doing like domestic violence. If the situation regarding work life or business life, maybe you have a working partner that not goes well with you. Maybe your partner talking to you on the back to others. Maybe your partner stabbing you from the back. I don't know for sure. Just try to see from your situation. If it regarding business, maybe your business partner not fair to you, they cheated on you, I don't know, you lost money because of this business of something, I don't know for sure. Jadi apabila ini berhubungan dengan kesabaran, ini berhubungan dengan love, dengan kehidupan percintaan, mungkin pasangan kamu selingkuh sama kamu di belakang kamu, atau mungkin pasangan kamu KDRT, sering mukul kamu, atau apapun itu, pokoknya toksik lah intinya. Apabila ini berhubungan dengan pekerjaan atau bisnis, ya mungkin partner kerja kamu ngejelek-jelekin kamu di belakang kamu, terus nusuk kamu dari belakang. Dan begitu juga dengan partner bisnis, mungkin partner bisnis kamu nusuk kamu dari belakang, ngebawa duit kamu gitu loh, curang dalam pembagian profit atau apapun itu. Apapun situasi yang negatif ini, kamu harus menghadapinya dengan super sabar. Oke. Sini ada kartu Knight of Wands. Ini this Knight of Wands represent fire sign. Zodiac under fire sign is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Also you Sagittarius. But this person, he came into your life. He seems like rushing in. Came into your life. Maybe this person is your new partner. Is your new love. Maybe could be your soulmate. But this person is quite fiery, motivated, driven, like that. Kartu kedua ini ada Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands itu mewakili elemen api. Zodiak yang berelemen api ada Leo, Aries, dan Sagittarius. Orang ini kemungkinan orang lama, itu bisa juga orang baru. Yang jelas orang ini datang ke kamu dalam jangka waktu yang bisa dibilang cepat, instan lah jatuhnya. Ya cukup agresif orang ini cukup berapi-api. Orang ini sangat termotivasi dan sangat, kalau dia pengen sesuatu dia harus dapet gitu loh. Dan ya mungkin ini adalah pacar kamu kalau memang berhubungan dengan kehidupan percintaan, atau mungkin juga ini adalah bos kamu kalau kamu mungkin pindah kerja, resign dari tempat yang kemarin karena memang nggak cocok tempatnya, akhirnya kalian resign dan kalian di tempat yang baru kalian punya bos yang memang orangnya fiery, termotivasi tinggi gitu ya, kayak gitu. Atau bisa juga nih partner kerja kamu atau partner bisnis kamu, ya orangnya seperti aku bilang tadi, sangat berapi-api, sangat termotivasi gitu ya, dan harusnya sih positif ya orangnya ya gitu. So yeah, if this person related with your love life, this could be your soulmate, it could be a new person or past person, I don't know, or if this related with work situation or business situation, maybe this is your business partner, your new business partner, or maybe this is your new working partner, your new boss. All I know, this person is very motivated and so driven. Okay. Okay, di sini ada kartu seperti orang lama sih. Six of Cups. Okay, this person, like I told you, could be a past person. Maybe this is your friend at school, friend at your previous work, I don't know for sure. Mungkin orang ini adalah orang lama dalam hidup kamu, mungkin ini adalah teman sekolah kamu, atau teman lama kamu, atau teman di kantor lama. Ambil aja mana yang resonate sama kamu ya. So this Six of Cups represent past person. Past person who could bring you past childhood nostalgia, or maybe, yeah, I think it's a past nostalgia. It could be your schoolmate or your old time friends, or maybe this could be your old time co-workers in your previous job. Just take it what resonate with you. Ya, orang ini bisa siapapun ya, yang jelas ini orang lama. Karena kartu 6 piala itu mewakili orang lama yang ada dalam hidup kalian, yang pernah ada dalam hidup kalian, dan orang lama ini datang lagi ke dalam hidup kalian gitu. Karena orang ini membawa nostalgia masa lalu. Mungkin ini ada teman sekolah kamu, atau teman lama kamu, atau mungkin teman kerjaan di kantor lama. Bisa siapapun. Bisa siapapun. Itu kalau berhubungan dengan percintaan ya. Tapi kalau berhubungan dengan pekerjaan atau bisnis, mungkin orang lama ini tiba-tiba kalian ketemu gitu loh di kantor baru. Ternyata dia teman satu kantor kamu di kantor baru. Kalian resign dari kantor yang lama. Atau mungkin orang lama ini datang untuk ngajak kalian berbisnis. Atau mungkin bos kalian di kantor baru, misalnya kalau kalian baru pindah kantor, baru resign, terus dapat kerja di tempat baru, mungkin bos kalian adalah orang yang pernah kalian kenal dulu. Mungkin it could be anything. Karena kan ini kan general reading ya, jadi ya lihat, dicocokin aja sama situasi kalian. Okay, this card is the lover. Next card is the lover. This person, if it's related with love life situation, your love life affair, this person, it could be your soulmate, because you guys like each other, you guys love each other, and this person, I believe, is a past person, not a new person. It's a past person. Why? Because you have the past childhood nostalgia, past childhood memories. Maybe this is your crush in your previous life. Maybe you and them, you like each other before, in the past. Could be anything. Or if it's related with business or work life, maybe this past person, when you guys having a business together, or maybe you guys working together with this past person, you feel connected one to another. You feel connected. You feel balanced working with this person. Okay? Apabila ini berhubungan dengan orang masa lalu dan ini berhubungan dengan percintaan, mungkin orang ini adalah orang masa lalu yang pernah kalian taksir. Mungkin mantan kalian, mantan pacar gitu, pernah suka-sukaan tapi nggak pernah ngomong, mungkin berarti suka-suka doang tapi nggak pernah saling ngaku mungkin. Tapi malah memang ini berhubungan dengan pekerjaan atau bisnis. Mungkin dengan orang lama ini, saat kalian berbisnis, kalian bisa berpartner dengan baik. Atau mungkin kalau emang orang ini adalah partner kerja kalian di kantor baru, ya mungkin kalian sangat bisa bekerja sama dengan baik, bisa berpartneran dengan baik dengan orang ini. Dan pekerjaan kalian berdua nih selaras gitu loh, harmoni, jadi nggak kisruh gitu loh. Okay. Oh. Wait. Last card is Ten of Pentacles. If this is related with love life, this past person not only love you, but they want to build a family with you, a happy home life with financial security. This person could be a rich person. That's why he wants to build a home life with you with financial securities matters. Yeah. So, but if this related with working or business, this person here, not only giving you a balance to working together as a business partner or as a working partner, but this person could give you or could bring you abundance. If this person is your business partner, this person could giving you a good profit for your business, for you guys' business. But if this person is only your working partner or maybe your boss, this person could attract abundance to you. I don't know, maybe he have a good aura, maybe they have a good aura, a positive vibes. That's why they bring you good luck. They bring you they bring you luck. Apabila orang ini berhubungan dengan cinta-cintaan, orang lama ini tidak hanya mencintai kalian, tapi orang lama ini ingin menikahi kalian, ingin mempunyai keluarga bahagia bersama kalian, dan keluarga bahagia penuh dengan rezeki. Kemungkinan besar orang ini adalah orang lama dan orang ini kaya. Jadi dia bisa memberikan semua kemewahan yang kalian inginkan dalam hidup. Tapi kalau ini berhubungan dengan kerjaan atau bisnis, orang lama ini yang ngajakin kalian bisnis, selain dia bisa memberikan situasional pekerjaan di dalam lingkungan pekerjaan atau di dalam lingkungan bisnis secara harmonis, orang ini juga bisa memberikan keuntungan, bisa membawa keuntungan apabila ini berhubungan dengan bisnis. Tapi kalau berhubungan dengan pekerjaan, orang ini bisa membawa keberuntungan juga kepada kalian. Mungkin orang ini punya aura positif, aura yang bagus ya, untuk menarik rezeki, bisa jadi gitu. Yang jelas orang ini bawa keberuntungan lah buat kalian. Keberuntungan itu sebenarnya nggak harus uang ya apapun itu. Oke. In here you have a page of cups. Page of cups ini, page of cup represent cups, represent water sign, zodiac and water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancerian. This person could hand you his cup or their cup. But this person, because this is a page, person could be younger than you, or maybe he have the same age with you, or maybe he probably older than you, but he seem have a childish attitude. So he is immature. He's not mature yet. That's why he handed you his cup. That's why he came to you rushing it, very rushing it. Well, if that related with your love life, yeah. But if that related with your business or with your working situation, your business partner or your working partner here, or maybe your boss, maybe they look immature, or maybe they're younger than you, or probably even though they're not younger than you, even though maybe they are in the same age like you, or maybe they are older than you, but because this is a page, the card of page of cups, page in here represent someone's younger, or maybe someone is in your age or maybe older than you, but they have issue of immature things, of a childhood, not childhood, sorry, of a childish attitude. So ya, orang ini, orang yang membawa keberuntungan ini nih, orang lama ini nih yang kalian pernah kenal. Apabila berhubungan dengan percintaan, orang ini orangnya mungkin lebih muda dari kamu, atau kalau memang kalian seusia atau orang ini lebih tua dari kamu, orang ini mungkin sifatnya tidak dewasa atau kurang dewasa. Tapi kalau ini berhubungan dengan bisnis atau kerjaan, sama partner kerja kalian atau partner bisnis kalian, atau mungkin bos kalian, orangnya mungkin lebih muda dari kalian. Tapi kalau memang tidak lebih muda, kalian masuk umuran, kalian memang lebih tua, mungkin orang ini kurang dewasa sifatnya gitu. Makanya dia datang ke kalian tuh buru-buru, orangnya itu sangat apa-apa tuh cepet-cepet gitu loh, apa-apa maunya buru-buru gitu kan. Sebenarnya sih kan nggak penting ya nggak bagus juga lah kalau semua tuh diburu-buruin gitu. Oke, aku akan pakai deck ini. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, please bless this reading. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, angel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Okay. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during April 2021. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign. What will happen with... Oh, udah. Terus deh, karena ini belum ini, baru mulai tuh. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this April, April 2021. Okay, got it. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Three of Pentacles. Ini confirmation cardnya ya. This is confirmation card. Bentar. Saya lihat dulu ya. Okay. Is it Page of Area? Okay, Sagittarius. Hold on. Okay. In here, you got the card of Page of Air. Logical, honest, impulsive, curious. Challenging information. Delays or change to plans. Truth delivered without time. Like here. Whatever you plan, Sagittarius, maybe you have some kind of delays. Something, so your plan had been postponed by the universe, maybe. Divine timing, yeah. And a little bit make you feel, well, a little bit upset, a little bit disappointed because of this delay, because you want something like fast, instant, well, anything There is no any instant way. It needs a process of everything. It needs a process. You cannot rushing something just like what you want. No, Sagittarius. You cannot do that. It always be divine timing. God's setting the pace, setting your pace, not you. Okay, not you setting your. Okay, you could setting your pace, but still, it's all about God's timing. You cannot rushing into God. You cannot force God to do whatever you want because God is a God. He's the Almighty. He's not your slave. He's not a person that you can order this and order that. You have to do this and you have to do that. No. You cannot. You cannot make orders to God. No. You cannot make orders because you're the one who should obey the God, not God obey you. Okay, Sagittarius. Di sini ada semacam mungkin rencana kalian ke postpone atau ke pending atau bukan terhalang ya, apa sih intinya tertunda. Itu dia bahasanya, tertunda. Nah itu membuat kalian tuh agak bete ya. Aduh, kenapa sih harus tertunda? Karena setahu gue tuh Sagittarius maunya apa-apa tuh cepat, apa-apa tuh instan. Dan sebenarnya di hidup ini tuh nggak ada yang instan, nggak ada yang cepat. Mungkin karena kalian tuh fire sign kali ya. Setahu gue sifat dari fire sign itu orangnya gerabah-gerubuk, gegabah, maunya bapak cepat, bapak harus dapat. Nggak bisa. Semua itu divine timing. Semua itu yang mengatur Tuhan, Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Kalian hanya bisa men-setting atau merancang kira-kira hidup kalian ke depannya mau kayak gimana. Kalian hanya bisa berencana. Kita sebagai manusia hanya bisa berencana, tapi tetaplah Tuhanlah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala yang istilahnya yang ACC kapan kalian akan mendapatkan apa yang kalian inginkan. Kalian nggak bisa memaksa Tuhan, aku pengen, ya Allah aku pengen sekarang juga aku dapetin ini itu, kalian sebutlah apa yang kalian inginkan. Nggak bisa, kata Tuhan, emang lo siapa gitu loh. Gue yang buat aturan, gue yang memutuskan, bukan lo nggak bisa memerintah gue untuk gue untuk gue kabuli sekarang. Kalau gue maunya ngabulinya nanti gimana, lo nggak bisa maksa gue. Mungkin Tuhan akan bicara seperti itu kalau emang dia bisa bicara langsung dengan kalian gitu loh. Intinya dinikmati aja Sagittarius, walaupun rencana kalian ketunda, tapi ya anggaplah ketunda cuma sebentar gitu loh. Anggaplah itu adalah sesuatu hal yang melatih kesabaran kalian gitu loh. Oke. So you have Earth. Tree of Earth. The power of creativity, recognition from very high quality work. Recognition for a very high quality work. Be a team player. See, kreativitas. Apapun yang kalian rencanakan di sini, kalian butuhkan kreativitas untuk bisa di notice atau untuk bisa untuk membuat orang-orang sekitar tuh istilah kasarnya ngeh gitu loh dengan apa yang kalian lakuin. Sadar, orang-orang sekitar tuh mulai menyadari, oh ternyata Sagittarius ini orangnya tuh kreatif ya, ini ternyata begini ya, ini ternyata begitu ya gitu. Jadi pakailah kreativitas kalian untuk menjalankan rencana kalian ini. Supaya kalian bisa sukses, gunakan kreativitas kalian. So this creativity card, it's like you have to use your creativity just to get what you want here, just to get what you already planned here. Use your creativity. Then after that, people surround you will notice your creativity. Whatever happens, whatever the situation is, yeah, people around you will notice your creativity, Sagittarius. At least they finally notice you as a person who have high creativity. And it requires a very high quality work. So be a team player, Sagittarius. Okay, the last card is Ace of Earth. Ace of Earth. This is 3 of Earth, yeah. And then after you have the 3 of Earth, you have Ace of Earth. The inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contract. I told you. When you use your creativity, you will get new contract in your new job, or you have a new business venture. At least you have abundance came to you when you use your creativity, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, saat kamu menggunakan kreativitas kamu di sini, nanti itu akan memberikan atau itu akan menarik rezeki kepada kalian. Mungkin kalau memang ini berhubungan dengan pekerjaan, mungkin kalian dapat pekerjaan baru. Kalau ini berhubungan dengan bisnis, mungkin kalian akan buka bisnis baru. Tapi apapun itu, yang jelas kerja keras kalian di sini, kreativitas kalian yang kalian pakai di sini akan mendatangkan suatu keuntungan atau mendatangkan suatu rezeki. Rezeki tersendiri, Sagittarius. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we got Ace of Air. A brilliant new ideas and inspiration. Seeing the truth of a situation, a challenging beginning. See? New idea, new inspiration, your creativity. It could bring you new idea, new inspiration. Seeing everything, seeing the truth from the situation. This could be very challenging at the first, but you have to learn how to handle it, how to do this, how to take this as your path. Apapun yang terjadi, karena di sini kalian punya kreativitas kalian itu akan membawa suatu ide baru, sesuatu ide yang memang menginspirasi. Apapun itu, kalian akan lebih bisa melihat suatu kebenaran dari semua situasi yang ada. Memang awalnya susah, tapi nggak ada salahnya untuk dicoba, ya kan? Apapun itu tidak ada salahnya untuk dicoba, ya Sagittarius. Tetap mencoba. Okay, guys, I'm going to read your love situation. Okay, bentar ya. Dear God, angels, universe, and power, archangel, spirit, guide, what that God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Okay. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, angels, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please. Okay. Oh. Please give me a sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this April 2021? Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during is April 2021. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit guide, let God, guardian angel. Please give me a sign. What? Oh, dua lagi nih. Please give me a sign. What? Okay, I got it. Okay, Sagittarius. Ooh, trust. You have trust. Okay. Wait. Okay, Sagittarius. Like I told you earlier, you have someone's came to your life. This could be an old person, your old time friends, maybe your exes, I don't know. But when this person came to you again, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So yeah, just try to give them second chance, or try to give them a chance when they want to approach you, Sagittarius. Try to positive thinking. Okay, Sagittarius, orang lama yang aku bilang tadi di awal akan datang ke dalam hidup kalian. Kasih dia kesempatan kedua, kasih dia kesempatan lagi untuk deketin kalian, karena orang ini aman kok untuk dicintai. Orang ini cukup aman untuk dicintai. Oke, di sini ada playfulness. In here you got playfulness card. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Maybe you and this person, this old-time person, this past person, you guys have some kind like playfulness. Maybe your relationship with them, it contain something playful. So, well, it's a serious relationship, but it also playful, serious and playful. Well, it's a good combination, right? Mungkin orang lama dalam hidup kalian itu yang kembali lagi dalam hidup kalian, ngedekatin kalian lagi, entah teman lama, entah mantan kalian, mantan pacar dulu waktu sekolah atau waktu kuliah. Mungkin orang itu deketin kalian lagi, kasih dia kesempatan kedua, kasih dia kesempatan lagi untuk mendekat. Dan ternyata hubungan kalian dengan orang itu memang bagus sih. Ada semacam sifat sisi playful di sini. Jadi hubungannya emang serius, tapi ada sisi have fun-nya lah gitu, ada sisi main-mainnya lah, ada sisi serunya. Karena kalau sesuatu yang serius itu kan monoton dan itu kan bikin kalian mati bosan. Nah, aku tahu Sagittarius itu orangnya sedikit membosan. Jadi supaya tidak bosan memang harus diimbangi dengan sesuatu yang maybe yang sifatnya lebih fun, lebih playful gitu loh. Oke, tapi di sini you have to pay attention to red flag. This time I'm cautioning you. Something's not good in here, Sagittarius, because I see the red flag. You have to consider, or you have to try to see from every perspective, because don't see anything from one side. You have to see everything on two sides, because you have to be aware of this kind of red flag. If you try to see everything only in one side, you cannot see this red flag. This could be an alert for you, a little bit all around for you, to warn you something not good. I don't know. This red flag could be anything. Maybe your past person who going back into your life, maybe they are already married, or maybe their other exes cannot accept it to see you close with that person, with your previous person, previous life person, past life person, maybe, and their exes start to, I don't know, hunting you down or blackmail you or anything. It was a little bit nasty, but it could be happen. This red flag, you have to be aware, ya. Di sini aku melihat ada semacam red flag atau semacam alarm dalam hubungan ini. Walaupun kalian punya playfulness, ya, di sini ada sedikit alarm supaya kalian tuh lebih berhati-hati dalam bersikap dan dalam bertindak, dalam mengambil keputusan. Karena sepertinya ada pihak ketiga di sini. Entah itu pihak ketiganya mungkin dari keluarganya nih orang, keluarga orang lama yang lagi deketin kalian, atau mungkin pihak ketiganya itu bisa juga adalah mantannya dia gitu loh, yang nggak suka melihat kedekatan kalian dengan orang ini gitu kan. Jadi kalian harus hati-hati. Okay. In here, the bottom of the deck as a energy, as a, what is it? As a, not just as a overall overall energy. You have trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. See, whatever happens in here, even though I know you have a red flag in here, but all you need to do is you have to trust. This situation requires you to have a faith. Just trust God and universe. Trust this situation to God and universe. Let it go to God and universe, and let God and universe help you to solve this thing. So you have to put your trust, you have to put your faith to God and universe to solve this thing very